Hi, I'm Monwar Hossain, Assistant English Teacher, Vatshair High School, Bodogasi, Nagaon. Welcome to everybody. Online English learning and teaching method. Look at the blackboard. My dear student, look at the blackboard. I am writing something. Look at the blackboard. What do you see on the blackboard? I eat rice. And next, he is a student. These are sentences. So today's topic is sentence. Again, we can see two sentences on the blackboard. So, at first I am giving description of sentence. What is sentence? Do you know what is sentence? Sentence is a collection of some words make a foolish sense. When a sentence make two parts. First part is subject and next part is predicate. Subject may set up at first and next part after subject predicate must be set up. In this way, this is here in this sentence, this is subject, he is subject, is a student, predicate. We can also see three parts of a sentence in this way. Subject may be subject, predicate. This part has also two parts. Eat is verb, rice is object. So, at first part is subject, next second part is verb, and after verb object must be set up. In this way, we can make English sentence: subject plus verb plus object. Subject plus verb plus object. An English sentence has, an English sentence, this is the structure of an English sentence. Subject, verb, object. This is the structure of the English sentence. In this way, I am writing a sentence. He is subject, play is verb, and football is object. This is the structure of an English sentence, but there are differences between Bangla sentence and English sentence. Bangla sentence, I am writing a Bangla sentence on the board. Share football খেলে. In this way, we can write subject, object, verb. We can see in English sentence subject plus verb plus object, but in Bangla sentence subject plus object plus verb. So the structure of Bangla sentence English sentence Bangla sentence structure subject plus verb plus subject plus object plus verb. Slight difference between Bangla sentence and English sentence and Bangla sentence. When we write English sentence, we use this structure subject plus verb plus object. But when we write Bangla sentence, then we help the structure subject plus object plus verb. Okay? Have you understood, my dear student? Now, I am writing something on the blackboard again. Look at the board and see two things again. At first, eat, I rise. Then this is correct sentence? No, because when we make English sentence, at first we may write subject plus verb plus object. But here we can see at first verb, subject, object. This is not correct sentence because these three words are arranged haphazardly, not chronologically. And the next sentence, subject plus verb plus object. This is a correct sentence or not? This is also not a correct sentence because subject, we use subject plus verb plus object, but not use punctuation mark, full stop. So this is not a correct sentence, and now this is correct sentence. When we use subject plus verb plus object, but not use punctuation mark, this is not a correct sentence. Okay, my dear student, have you understood this point? I am clearing the board. Do you know how many kind of sentence according to meaning? sentence may hide cats. According to meaning, sentence may hide cats. Assertive sentence interrogative sentence imperative sentence optative sentence exclamatory sentence. These are five kinds of sentence according to meaning. Sentence are five kinds. According to meaning, sentences are five types. Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, exclusive sentence. At first, I have given description of assertive sentence. Assertive sentence, another name is statement. Another name is statement. Most of the sentence may assertive. Assertive sentence, two kinds, affirmative, negative. When we say something, this is assertive sentence. Suppose I eat rice, I am a student, Rohim plays football, Meena goes to school. These are assertive sentences. In this way, I am not a student, Rohim does not go to school, Meena does not play football. These are also assertive sentence in negative sense. And next, interrogative sentence. When we ask something, this is called interrogative sentence. What is your name? How old are you? Do you eat rice? Is he a student? Are not they playing football? These are interrogative sentences. Exclamation mark is used in interrogative sentence. Next, imperative sentence. When we command, order, advise, or propose someone, this is called imperative sentence. Help the poor. Do not make a noise in the class. Let us play football. These are imperative sentences. Optative sentence. When we wish or pray something, this is called optative sentence. May Allah help you. Long live our parents. These are optative sentences. And last, exclamatory sentence. When we have become astonished or surprised to see something, this is called exclamatory sentence. What a charming scenery it is. You are very nice. These are exclamatory sentence. An exclamation mark is used in exclamatory sentence. So I am writing two sentences in every kind on the blackboard. Look at the blackboard, my dear student. These are assertive sentences. They want a book. Mina does not sing a song. And imperative sentence. What is your name? Do you take it? These two sentences are imperative, are the example of interrogative sentence. Imperative sentence. Help me. Order or request. Let us play football. Proposed. Help me. Order or request. Let us play football. This is here we see proposed. Operative sentence. May Allah help you. Wish or pray. These are operative sentence. Long live our parents. These two are operative sentence. And the next explanatory sentence. Alas, I am undone. What a nice girl she is. These two are exclamatory sentence. Here in this sentence we see surprise or astonish thing. Have you understood about sentence? Five kinds of sentence. According to structure, sentences are three kinds. According to structure, there are three kinds of sentence. There are number one, simple sentence. Number two, complex sentence. Number three, compound sentence. According to structure, there are three kinds of sentence: simple sentence, complex sentence, compound sentence. Simple sentence. What is simple sentence? I am writing example of simple sentence, complex sentence, and compound sentence. This is a simple sentence. This is also simple sentence, but looking complex sentence. This is not a complex sentence, simple sentence. After taking class, I go home. This is also simple sentence. Complex sentence. Though he is poor, he is honest. As I was ill, I could not go to school. And compound sentence. It is poor but honest. I go to gym and I play football. These two are simple sentence, these two are complex sentence, these two are compound sentence. You may use description for next class 9 or 10. So thank you everybody, and welcome to everybody again for online teaching learning method.